Sabi sa Romans 4 verse 20, Abraham never wavered in believing God's promise. In fact, his faith grew stronger. And in this, he brought glory to God. Sabi dito, Abraham never wavered, never shaken, never siyang natakot, never siyang nagduda sa mga pangako ng Diyos. Sa kabila ng edad niya, which is 100 years old, na kung saan yung katawan niya sobrang hina na, ay naniwala pa rin siya sa mga pangako ng Panginoon. Sa ganong edad, napakarami ng dahilan para hindi ka maniwala. Lalong-lalo na kung ang pinag-uusapan ay magkakaanak ka. But Abraham was fully convinced that God is able to do whatever He promises. And because of that faith, because he believed in God, hindi siya nagduda, hindi siya natakot, it brought glory to God. It was because of his faith that God counted him as righteous, not by human works, hindi sa kung anong kayang abutin ng diskarte mo. Kaya hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na, Lord, ginawa ko to para sa'yo, nagsakripisyo ako para sa'yo. No, we can never do that. Only by faith can we truly bring glory to God. So ibig sabihin, kahit anong gawin mo, kahit anong marating mo, kung wala kang pananampalataya, yung totoong pananampalataya, lahat yan baliwala. It's only by true faith that we will be counted as righteous. And once you have that kind of faith, it will be very easy for you to obey. Huwag mong isipin kung anong kaya mong gawin para kay Lord dahil hindi niya kailangan yon. Ang kailangan niya, yung pananampalataya mo, yung tiwala mo, yung faith mo. Sana po ay malinaw ang mensahe ng video na to.